Life I the motion war from my mammy dokulum.
Life I the motion war from my mammy doku, but a mammy doku, or better what castle or Hollywood a Kofi cup.
You will Bemensu, now so much as she man, no, I didn't sue.
It was so, Charlie. Sometimes some men are really going through hell in life.
We are see you soon, or Brana Abam Sakura, that boy are two.
He could feel back at Saturday, or bring up Bob Sakule, double Sakule, where they boy too. I major me react to them to react to when you end this. To react to when you end this.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem.
Welcome to the channel. Zina DJ Parker Rich. In case Antimizunda Ubusi brother subscribe to this channel. I have no more Parker Rich Studios. Yes, subscribe. Na yam bro typical Ghanaian content with locally made vibe atasa. And see not long ago na Kofi dropping the EP with friend Kofi but the EP will make waves all across the world and again in Azania, but there are certain songs that it needs to be paid like or they am a special attention. And one song on the EP, it touches my heart, be Abonsam. Somebody might ask, what is Abonsam? Abonsam simply means Satan. And then why would you think Kofi Kinaata will do a song and title it Abonsam, Satan? Yes, there is a reason behind this song, and already I've posted a video on that, but this is the original reaction for this song. You can ask me in the comment section based on time I work at a mass and now you can type it then I'm will answer. But Abonsam obviously is one song on the EP. It touches my heart to the soul. Abonsam yemi neighbor. Sometimes one goes through some struggles in life and he feels like you be like the devil in the name be colleagues. So every day the devil won't show a mafia. But tell them about them you me actual and you'll understand when we play these songs and we react to it. And see, Abonsam, yes, my favorite song on the EP as well, aside from Antiamano, Abonsam Kamu, produced by the man we call 2 Bars. Yes, my man 2 Bars, Otibit Rough, Kofi resident engineer, and this is Abonsam.
I didn't quit you, man. As I want a suspect, when you pay as a bit.
Atasa, you pay be a near baby at a beatifin be and somebody say it be you that they mention your name.
And if you are like you, I will know so how far.
No, Bia, you are be sorted in that chair when you must a criminal. A takra water, I would air suspect because when you're fair, or 2 months a time with the show.
Yeah, how far then? Mr. Alpha, I don't know for that city. Oh, Mr. Kofi, one of
the best Alpha that pick you as witness. You see, if you day house where you don't get job, you know they go anyway, just day house. So if 2 women start a fight for the house there, confusion, then come on, if they look for witness, what probably that's a pa, what you did there, not that's a cringing, like certified witness. Because you don't get job, do you be jobless? If you they go come ask you question there, hey Kofi, Abonsam see. Yes. If Abonsam your neighbor, these are some of the things really happen to you. 2 Bars on the beat. And I'm gonna catch all the feeling beating and the vibes. And you may rum. You may say, Kuno, I had Kinaata name the way just soon one human but still the vibes at all.
And about if you are able to body be made in a cup and the fear dark I'm go to.
Atasa up to ni fear butu. I mean fancy kede fear butu means say the house is on fire. The house is on fire. They owe somebody where the person come, where in them they do confusion. So if you're renting on the cream one akasabotu.
Tapukuchu, that's a blue side or mamusu. Ete tribia we see and that rough in a bed.
Bia we see here abrofo yinara wo bedin trouble, and I'm sure people that are not deep fancy people and I want to fancy you know want to say 1983 we all know there or come bi o si Ghana you know you brutal. I mean what can 1983 the next thing or you close to 1983 near 2023 no so no come bi bam kakra no come bia Kofi pachere we si wo padi na brabo bi 1983 we si wo na brabo mi so wan hwe ye ya abrofo ina bezin chubo. And I'm sure most of you when you mun chubo na azaban in chubo ye kokoyam yes e wo na kokoyam ye hezbani bia se wadi sijado na wonua nenya engo kekempo na de bubom a ebotum that quench your pain, and that is the level of hunger them padino it go through padina Abonsam ye ni dey, but that be what the guy was going through. Yeah.
Abuonyi dia nyamno prano me do ko motia.
Abuonyi dia nyakoporo prano ho.
Yes, yiminye bia memia na so apempe mbape ya.
Aputo wala bi you how pesca de kebia ba pepe ba pe ya. Sisi oya siri po. Oya dollar or tre.
Ameda Abonsam mi neighbor. Abonsam mi neighbor. Abonsam mi neighbor.
Abonsam ya whatever. Hey, oya kase tru you mo koro. Hey, you party bi kase na ye ti neighborhood ba. Ile boy who speak some za chero.
Feel it Abonsam mi neighbor.
I feel it Abonsam ya whatever.
Abonsam.
Every say your wife for issues and 2 minutes that you made to replay.
Abonsam.
How power did they 2 minutes or you what that Abonsam ya whatever because Benyin na besebi or obo wa brabo ba bibi ankodo I say a brother ya tari I shia no de fa.
Baba
Papa ya Tambra. Definitely we are calling upon the Lord that Ghana is going through so much. It looks like Abonsam be yeah. I want a fresh shower. Abonsam be ya wubaze. Obisa Abonsam be ya Sophie, Obisa Abonsam be ya girlfriend, Obisa Abonsam be ya wife, Obisu Abonsam be ya president. Hurry up, oh Lord!
Life I deadly, last so I bloody. Miscan citrus, give an answer, my die hobby. They be an million time in the boy, member how margin. A man full of life. Yes, we are about miming.
A man full of life, and when you're about miming, and if you don't understand that live music is the ones that we invest so much into it. We have guitar, organ. You can't do that alone. You have to hire the services of Kofi Bebre when I want finger live music. But it's been more while arriving at our live and or work playing a Kofi I'm out for about live, but here about mime and say people are really enjoying life. What can I about life for fancy? I mean, say they enjoy life, they look good, they feel good. But some of us we they do mime and say we they walk in the shadows of other people. That's the reality.
Life in this shit, I demo cool. Life I the motion walk from my mammy dokum.
Life I the motion walk from my mammy dokum, but a mammy dokum or better what casted or Hollywood a Kofi cup.
Oh, here we Bemensu, now so much as she should man, no, I didn't sue.
It was so, Charlie. Sometimes some men are really going through hell in life.
We are see a soon or Brana Abam Sakura, that boy I too.
He could feel back at Saturday or bring up Sakule, double Sakule, where they are boy too. I may me react to them to react to what you mean this. To react to what you mean this. They are brave, me with all brand or the mouth and be bet. There's no way I'm a Sakule where they are boy to obey Kofi. I'm Kasaba heart. Physio.
Life in your clear, life I play, life I there, but you better, you better. I'm a
Abonsam ya mi neighbor.
Abonsam ya mi neighbor. Abonsam ya mi neighbor. Abonsam ya mi neighbor.
Confuse Apatampa Bagana. We have modernized Apatampa.
Feel it, Abonsam ya mi.
A fancy person, I should be proud of this sound. This is good. This is what is going to take us to the Grammys. Because this is something original. Hurry up, oh God. Tumaraga said the blah blah blah. I say Kofi you be available with YouTube I share description I saw link in the show. But to me nyoma was Spotify, but to me was Boom Play, but to me was Amazon, Audio Mac, everywhere. That's the stream song. This song is available there. It's on the album called Kofi. Download in a cruise and you're feel it. Get some wisdom. We've had enough of dance and vibe Beyonce. This is wisdom in the form of song. Kofi. What's the EP now? But yes, the Yedzim crowd day. No answer, man. I was so afraid. Judy day, bra. Yes, yeah. Our subscriber, but what's that? A subscriber that will be sitting there. Yes, yes, any. You was so cool day.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?